Hi guys, how are you? Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. Hope you make your exercises. Today we will talk about a very important thing, and you will make it in almost 99% of your programs, the arithmetic operations. The arithmetic operations is very simple in Python. You will see we can use in print normally. We will use the simple operations 3 plus 4, 7. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Division also working simply, and all the basic operation are working directly in Python. Even the power, you can use the power also. All the simple operations, the basic operation working directly in print. No problem with it. You don't need anything. You can also put it in a variable. You can take this and put it in a variable called number, my num equal, then you are printing my num. You will get the same result. So what is Python also offers to us? We have the order of the operation. For example, if you are putting 4 by 3, 4 adding to 3 multiplies by 7. Normally, in our normal math, we are using the orders of the multiplication and division first, then addition and subtraction the secondly. So currently we are using in will be the same also in Python. So he will use 3 multiplication by 7, that's 21, plus 4, that's 25. This is normally what we will do. But the new here, Python offering for you that you can give a priority for any operation you want. So for example, if we want to make this addition first, what we will do, we'll make here parentheses first. So 4 plus 3, it will be 7 by 7, it will be 49. You got it? So if we want to prioritize any operation we want, we will use the same parentheses that will come to first. All of this is integer. If we want to mix between the string and the integer, we will get an error. So we can also get this and make it and convert it to string. Then we can print it along with anything we want. And for example, we want is my age and print. Look, 49 is my age. We mix now the string and the integer after converting both. If we are not converting like last time in our last session, we found unsupporting operand types for integer and string. So we have to convert. But the next thing, what we can do also in our operation, after we are putting my number is 4 and print it. Okay, we want to increase this number by 1, so we will type my number equal 4 plus 1. Okay, it will not appear now, but if I want to write it again, look, the second sentence, 5 is my age, because we increase it here by 1. Okay, I can add here instead of type plus 1, I can say plus equal 1. Plus equal 1 instead of writing plus 1, or instead of typing I can type also plus 1 like this. Okay, I will make it as a comment. Okay, but to be advanced we will type plus equal 1. Okay, it will give me the same. Okay, so we can make like this, we can make like this, and for example 2, it will multiply my number by 2, we'll get 8. Okay, we can use any operation. Also, we can compare between two integer by multi ways. So for example, my number equal 3 equal 3 less than 2. Print my number. This is comparison between 3 and 2, and this is false. We will get the result, not a number, we will get a Boolean value. False. Okay, for example, if we are changing to greater than, we will get true. We can also use comparison between two things. 3 exactly equal like 2, and we will get also false. Also we can use not equal to, we will get true. So we have a lot of things we can use in comparison in Python. Next thing we will talk in, we can talk in functions we can use in our number. For example, we can use absolute. Absolute, this is giving me absolute number. For example, if this is -3 and I want my numbers only to print, this is +3, I want it to be always in positive, so I will use absolute. I will get it the positive number only. Next is bow. Bow function is taking two things. Bow is the base, our base, which is my number, and will take the power you want it. For example, you want 6, you want 5, any power you want. So it's taking the power and the base. Then we will tell them print it. 3 power 5, which is 243. Okay. Then we have maximum. Maximum is taking two numbers and will give me which one is bigger, so it will give me 5. Of course, if we change it to minimum, it will give me the two number. Next we have round. Round is rounding the number up and down depending on the number we have in the fraction. For example, if it's less than 5, it will round down, and if more than 5, it will round up. 3.3, it will round it to 3. 3.7, it will round it to 4. That was the basic operations we can use in Python. There is a bunch of things we can do in mathematics, but we have here only the basic operations we can do, the most common you will use in all your programs. So let's make it a little bit advanced, and we will bring more advanced functions, but we want to get it from outside, which is math. We will bring math from outside. So let's make something a little bit advanced and bring more advanced functions from outside, from math, and we will do like this: from math import all, which is the star. Okay, now we can use math functions. We will use, for example, floor. These functions can only take the base of any number without any friction. 3.6, it will not round it. If it's rounded, it will be rounded up to 4. But floor only will round it down to 3. Okay, seal is the opposite. Will round it up, which without any taking into consideration the friction. Any friction will round it up. Okay, also SQRT if we are making this 25, it will give me the square root of this number. 5, 100, suppose give me 10. So there is a bunch of functions you can learn about and you can use depending on your program. But this is the most basic, and you have to know because it will be common for you in any program you will make. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. There is a lot of bunch of functions we need to know more in math, but we will take it gradually through our course. So don't worry about it. We will take a lot of things more, but we will use it during our course. Please let me know if you have anything in the comments. Like and share. Thank you. See you guys next session.